So this is the point that someone said someday in every verse of the Bhagavatam, because it's Srimad Bhagavatam is a direct form of Krishna. So he said every verse, and it's a lot. So that's how he didn't say more than that. It was like a sutra. And after so many years, quite a few years, I'm seeing what, at least in the 10th canto, which is my primary area of study, I'm seeing that over many years, that there they are. There's the Nayak and the Nayak whom we are worshiping with our Man, Tan, and Pran. Man, Tan, and Pran. There's no Dan. I'm a beggar. Mantan, we say Mantan Dan, Guru Samarpan, Mantan Dan, Krishna Samarpan, with my mind and my tanu, my body, and my wealth, which I translate as assets. Your assets, your talent. Oh, I can sing, so I worship Krishna by singing in the bathroom, and singing in the kitchen, and singing in the car, and singing on the motorcycle as I drive down the street. So this is assets, Mantan Dan. So it can also be, if you have nothing, no talents, no assets, Mantan Pran. And ultimately, that's the real thing, because the gopis, they're only serving Krishna with their pran, which includes everything. Pran is the entire existence.